continue down to the full width when you get a chance, 101. Runway 3464, you're clear to land runway 10 center, on a 74 rolling out.
Alright, clear to land 10 center, envoy 3464.
Hey, we start the 701 Heavy, after the 73, make a right turn onto Papa, hold short Echo Echo.
After 737, right turn, hold short Echo, bridge 701.
American 1598 in inbound. American 1598, you should be on 128.15, 2815. 2815. Runway 3700, monitor center 132.7.
327, envoy 3700.
American 1433, thank you, node away past Papa 5, monitor center 132.7.
327, node away Papa 5.
Air Chicago 701 Heavy, monitor center 132.7, you're holding short Echo Echo.
Wind at 132.7, hold short, Echo, bridge 701.
Tower Skies 2966 inside Ray. Tower 29660, clear to land rolling 10 center, wind 02012.
For the land, 10 center, service 2966.
NX583 Heavy, hold short, really 10 center, Bravo, Bravo. NX583, Bravo, Bravo. American 1109, hold short, Echo, Echo.
Hold short of Echo, Echo, American 1109.
Runway 346 for Papa 5, left turn on the Papa, hold short, Charlie, Charlie. Runway 3312, clear to land, runway 10 center, 102013.
Clear to land, 3312.
Ground American 1109, is this 74 gonna turn or what? Yeah, he has to do the crossing at Echo Echo.
Okay.